Okay, this should be the last video. We'll see if you can see any of this. So here is the new fuel pump back assembled. Okay, you can see got the wires connected. So I've got my hose connected, my float's free, and I'm holding it in the right position. The float goes on the passenger side, this direction. Okay, so the float is on the passenger side, the pump is on the driver's side. You'll also want to pay attention to how it came out, and I'm pretty sure this is how this bracket came out with the hose pointing towards the front of the car. That's the way it feels the best. What you're going to do is you're going to get that float down in. Sorry guys, you get the float down in out of the way, which you can see. Then you're going to get the fuel pump down into where it needs to be. Okay. This is just going to feel joyous when I get gasoline on those cuts that I had from working with that clamp. Okay, so now the fuel pump is heading for its home. It's not quite into the bracket correctly, but hope you can see. Yeah, this little clip right here actually goes down over the edge of the plastic that you can see. And again, unfortunately, I think I'm going to need both hands here, so to get it down in there correctly. But you can see how this is going together, and once it goes together, you simply put this plate back on and finish up the bolts. But this fuel pump's ready to go. It's going to sit right down and snap in as soon as I can get my other hand in there. And everything's connected. And then hopefully this solves my starting problem. But hopefully that was a helpful process for everybody. Sorry I don't have two hands or an extra hand to hold this while I show you how this clips in. Let me try one more try. There we go. There we go. I was able to. So now it's sitting in there. You can see it's sitting down with the clips. Sitting down in its little spot. These clips on the side here are what holds it. Piece of cake. You just pinch those. There's one on the other side. And I'm ready. So let me see if I can get this down in here, assuming that the float is where it needs to be. Switch hands. The back came out last, so it's going to have to go in first. If I can get my hands in here. There we go. All right. Okay, so now we simply start putting these suckers back on. Okay, all these screws. The other thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put a clamp on this and put it back on. But all these screws will go back on. Then this plate will go back on. The connector will get reconnected. And we should be good to go. So wish me luck, and hopefully this was helpful. Take care.